Don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips and tricks.
Subscriptions are pretty important here at YouTube. So in this video, we'll teach you how to subscribe to channels. This will let you see more content from those channels you like. Before you do anything, make sure you're signed into YouTube, whether it's on your computer or mobile device. Go to any video of the channel you want to subscribe to. Click subscribe. Once you've subscribed to a channel, you'll see a list of recommended channels on your screen. These are based on related channels that you're not already subscribed to. If you want to see what you're subscribed to, make sure you're signed into YouTube. Select subscriptions, and then you'll see all of your subscriptions in grid or list view, which you can change to suit your needs. A few things to remember. Number 1, you can always view a channel's content before subscribing. Number 2, you can only subscribe to 75 channels per day. And number 3, you can subscribe to a maximum of 2,000 channels. With that said, your subscription limit grows as your YouTube channel does. It's tied to the number of subscribers that your channel has or how long your account has existed. If you'd like to learn more about subscribing to channels, check out the link in the description below. And that's it! Subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks.